Hi, welcome to the new edition of Highlights. And what we're going to be looking at today in this short video is going over something that a lot of you may not realize. I'm sure you're under the understanding that candles, especially when combined with Western technicals and trade management, are great for trading, whether that's swing trading, in other words, holding a position for anywhere from a day or two to a couple of weeks, or even intraday trading. But it's really important to realize candlesticks are also great for longer term investing. And in fact, that's a pretty big profit leaker. What we mean by profit leaker is giving up potential profits or encouraging or incurring, I should say, losses because you don't realize the potential of candlesticks to help you for your investing or retirement portfolio. I certainly use what we do here, our candlesticks and Western technicals and trade management, for my own long-term portfolio. And let me show you something interesting. Here's one of the pages of one of the many, many books I've had translated from Japanese to English. And what was interesting is in many of the segments of these books, and here you can see the original Japanese, they had weekly charts on them. So, for example, this was the 7th month of the year, this was the 9th month of the year, and so forth. So the Japanese also use it for longer term investing. And let me give you some recent examples here of why candles can help you avoid being blindsided by big market drops. So here in Apple, we have a resistance area. This is not quite a dark cloud cover. A dark cloud cover is when a black wheel body, this is a weekly chart by the way, gets more than halfway into the white wheel body. But here it's confirming this resistance. And look at this. A dark cloud cover confirming the resistance area. This would be a great time to protect your portfolio, maybe take some profits. For those who trade options, you may want to think about doing a bearish trade. And by the way, I'll tell you how you're going to be able to learn to do all these strategies in a couple of minutes with our soon-to-be released webcast, or soon-to-be done live webcast. And then a few weeks later, you got a bearish engulfing pattern. So really two alerts to know to protect your portfolio. Take some profits over here with this dark cloud cover, and certainly over here with this bearish engulfing pattern. And after the market drops, a lot of times you'll have great opportunities to buy. But here we saw a 25% drop after this bearish engulfing pattern. Another example, look at this, back to back. Here's a dark cloud cover here, almost a bearish engulfing pattern. Another one over here. So even if you exited over here, rather than holding on, you would have avoided a 30% collapse. So these are just some, short examples of the value of using candlesticks and Western technicals. So for example, here you had a bearish engulfing pattern confirming resistance for your investment and retirement portfolio. So with that in mind, I've designed a brand new active portfolio management seminar, and that'll be coming up in a few weeks. If you can't attend it live, we will be giving you access for 1 full year to the recording. And essentially in a few short hours, we're going to show you how to avoid being blindsided by market drops. And then equally important, knowing when to take advantage of these market declines to know when to get in. We'll be covering major stock indexes, individual stocks, interest rates, mortgage rates, gold, forex, crude oil, and so forth. And even if you don't trade a lot of these markets, for example, crude oil or gold, they do have an impact on equity markets, so it's really good to know what's going on in those markets. And we have a lot of cool bonuses, which include analyzing your investments. And then we're going to be doing follow-up education, follow-up analysis of the major markets, even months after the seminar, to keep you up to date on the major market indexes. So just click on the link below and take advantage of some limited time early bird special pricing and the bonuses. Thanks, and I hope you found this short highlights informative, and look forward to seeing you at the Active Portfolio Management webcast.